This is the thumbnail from the video that I put up yesterday. It was the 3077th video that I have put up over the last 5 years. Thus far, after about 3 hours, I have less than 500 people that have seen this video. I believe it's the most important video that I have created in the last 5 years. I actually think it's probably the most important video that anyone has created over the last 5 years. And that's because it explains how the stock market works. It tells you to go watch the Netflix series on the Titans, the birth of Wall Street. Because if you will understand how the stock market works. Right now, because of Jerome Powell's speech about possible lowering of interest rates, the market is up. The QQQs are up 1.7%. My portfolio is up 3.7%. I'm going to make between $40,000 and $50,000 today, and only 500 people today understand why. And it's all because I, in the last 90 days, have figured out how to access all the knowledge about the stocks that I'm interested in, the AI stocks that are changing the world. I'm able to access all the knowledge and then through an AI agent create the research that differentiates my portfolio by 2x from the QQQs. The QQQs are up 1.7, I'm up 3.7. So it's more than 2x. So if the overall market continues to go up, the QQQs, technology, AI, I'll outperform it by 2x or more. And yet, I can't get more than 500 people to watch the video. So what I have decided to do is to keep this knowledge in a group of people who are interested in what I've got to share. And so I have decided that once I get 1,000 subscribers to my channel, to my website, I'm shutting the doors. Because most of you don't really want to learn. But if I can limit it to 1,000, I can keep this tightly kept in so it isn't diluted by the masses. This is what Wall Street has done before. If you watch yesterday's video, I told you. Oh no, Google told you. Google it. What percentage of investors actually make money in the stock market? And they're going to tell you 10%. Who is the 10%? Wall Street. The other 90% are losing money. Who are they? The retail investors. Because, as we talked about in yesterday's video, you don't have the knowledge and the research to compete with them. But I do. I figured it out. So while the QQQs are up today, 1.7, I'm up 3.7. Who's the winner? And yet, I can't get more than 500 of you to even pay attention. So I'm going to limit it to 1,000. I'll talk to them this afternoon at 3 o'clock. We'll have a Zoom, a stock talk. And we're going to shut the doors. And I'm going to make, I've got 15 days until I turn 81 years of age. So I don't have a lot of time left. I've got the money I need to live out Nita and I our lives comfortably. I could shut this whole thing down if I wanted to. I have a son involved and I want him to prosper from it. But what I really want to do is make a difference in your life. And so I'm appealing to you. Step out of the box you have put yourself in and recognize an opportunity when it's punching you in the nose and say, I think I'll give that a shot. Maybe I can make a difference in my family's lives. That's all I can say. Once I get 1,000 people, paying me $60 a month. Do the math. I may be making $60,000 a month. I'll be able, my son, Trent and Mark will be able to share in it. We'll be able to go hire the technicians to automate this so that it's done more efficiently, so that we can push that 3.7 up to 4.7, and I'll make a difference. Maybe I'll fill the pews at my funeral.